Hey guys, welcome to VRK Homemaker. Today I just came up with a new product which is a vacuum cleaner, which is brand is Eureka Forbes Multi Clean brand. I have just purchased because this is a brand I felt it is a number one brand. So that is the reason. From so many years the vacuum brand means Eureka only. I just felt, so that is the reason. Here I am not promoting any of the product, not sponsoring. I just purchased, so I thought of sharing with you guys. Here I'm gonna unbox this I just purchased through Amazon. So this is what I got the parcel yesterday. So today I'm just unboxing it. So thought of sharing with you guys, and this is how I'm gonna open it, and all the spare parts I'm gonna assemble today. And this is actually very important video how to assemble. It is very easy guys, and if you watch this video definitely you feel it is very easy. No need of any help of others. You can do it by yourself. And first what I'm gonna remove from the box is, just wait and see. And who are watching me for the first time, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get my new notification, and like this video, share this video. The first spare part which I removed from the box, which this is called as a floor nozzle, which will really suck all the dust from this only. And the other one which I'm going to remove, the main body part, which is and this vacuum will run only through the power, not with the batteries. And the floor nozzle may be used with the hand vacuum to clean large surfaces. To attach the floor nozzle to the hand vacuum, insert it into the opening the bottom of the dirt container, press firmly to secure in place. And this I'm going to show you the one more part, which is called dirt container, that I'm going to show you now. That is a dirt container which is with the filter. If you observe it, yes, inside which is visible is called as a filter. That also you can remove it and clean up. That video I'm gonna do it separately, how to clean, how this is gonna work, everything I'm gonna show you. And this is called hand grip, which also called handle, which is a stick vacuum. It is very easy to operate, and no need to bend and vacuum the dust. You can just stand and you can do your work without any strain. And that is the manual also given, means a guide how to operate this and how to assemble this, everything they have given. But no need of reading all this also. But before using, if you read, it's better. But assembling, I don't think it is required. Look how I'm gonna do the container, the dirt container. I'm just gonna give a press to the body part. Each and every part when you're assembling, the click sound will get, please observe that. And this is one more way of, I'm going to show you, there is a two-way you can use this vacuum. This is one way of using. The corners you can, or if you want, you can clean up with that particular vacuum. And the one which is the floor nozzle is this. You can just give a little bit press, and the wheels is there are four wheels, two are small and two are medium size. With help of the wheels only this is gonna move. And now I'm gonna fix a stick, that is a handle. This is, and that is a hand which you can just hold up, and you can hang the power cord also there. And look how you have to open up that particular quick release handle. That is you can just open and just insert that stick inside that, and just look, the click sound will come now once you press. And that's it guys, your vacuum is ready to operate now. Just you have to plug into the power section, and then you can operate this. This is a multi clean vacuum cleaner. If you're interested, you can just go with that, and I'm gonna give the particular link in the description box. And final look, this is how it looks. It's already assembled and it is ready to operate now. And how this is gonna use, and whether it is useful or not, only once I use only I can give all the merits or demerits, whatever. But now I can't say that. And this is a one more, there is a two-in-one. As I told you, corners, sofas, everything you can clean up. And this is only sucks the dust and the dry clean, I can say. There is no wet clean with this particular vacuum. And guys, I hope you really like this video, and it is very helpful video, I can say, to assemble. And let's catch up with a new video tomorrow. Until then, take care, bye bye.